people need always only money. The poor people need a little bit of humanity. The rich people need always too much power. The poor people need a little bit of honesty. This is the story about the people in Bosnia. This is the story about people in the war. This is the story about people without bread. This is the story about people who eat caviar. It's the thin line between life and death. It's the thin line between love and hate. It's the thin line between life and death. It's the thin line between love and hate. Story about peace and war. This is the story about black and white. This is the story about poor and rich. This is the story about darkness and light. It's the thin line between life and death. It's the thin line between love and hate. It's the thin line between life and death. It's the thin line between love and hate. Between life and death. It's the thin line between love and hate.